Hello everybody, it is time for night-night. Of course Sammy's sleeping. It is really late now, it's almost 12. And Princess of course is here. And we're gonna make this a nice quick night-night video because I gotta quickly put everyone to bed in the bird room. And then get to bed myself. Sammy was so cute tonight, sitting. It was so adorable. He was just so happy to do it and had that smile on his face. If you didn't see that video, please check it out. And also guys, if you want to check out all my videos, if you don't know already, I do have a playlist set up with all the different categories of with all the birds and waking up with Sam and my live videos and sneak up on the kids, so it makes it easier for you to go through videos so you don't have to just search through them. So check out the playlist, I think you'll enjoy it. And we want to say sweet dreams and sleep with those beautiful, beautiful angels. We love you. Night night.